Asibingelele obingelele babo dokotela babo sizwe babo jabulile namhlanje sekwi-channel yethu babo dokotela lapho sithi ubunyanga basendulo. Sisimisele ukunikeza information lena bengeni ukwazi ukuyithola kwezinye indawo because sinama channel amanye ethola ukuthi lana kuhleze kukhulunywa ngesithwalo bothi umsangano ke lento. Abantu bakhathele lento. Abantu we must feed them or feast them with something that they never eat. That is why we like to eat buffet in different hotels because we want to eat different kind of food cuisine. This is Babu Dokotela bawethu bawujabula umfana omhleje ekhe umzulu amanginisa ngisolo futhi anixolisa namhlanje ngithatha ithuba elihle engithi angeke ngibonge ke ukuthi sinike support that we don't warranty we don't deserve either. Babu Dokotela wenyanga omela lapha ndabo ngisezela between Nedbank House building sise 19th floor 1904 to 1905. This is Babu Dokotela umfana omhleje ekhe umzulu amanginisa ngisolo futhi anixolisa. Lana nginethuba lokuthi ngenza ama video bese nina niwabuke siwafake ke futhi nala ku Facebook nina ku Facebook nikwazi ukuthi nithola ukuthi sikhuluma namhlanje ke itopic yethu ithi what time is. Wow kuzoshintsha ukudla platini. We have to change it. This is Babu Dokotela. I did tell you that I'm competing with nobody in terms of intellectual information is delivered and it should not be information oyizwa kwenye channel. No. Eno oyithole la, it remains here. We can then copy from what we were teaching because our model of intention is to teach and then market our product. This is Babu Dokotela babo sizibawuja mfana mhle. Nginento efuna u65,000 ngizokwakhela yona. Nginento efuna u65,000 ngizokwakhela yona ayisona kodwa isithwalo. Ngiyayakha ke lento le mengizoyakha ithatha 2 to 3 days akunayisho nami. Kodwa izofuna isithole inkukhu emhlophe ewulamthuthi isikhukazi sifuna inyongo yazo sizothola yebo gogo sithole iqhude elibovu sifuna inyongo yayo sizothola igusha iduna noma inkunzi yegusha sizofuna inyongo yakhona futhi le nyongo zontathu seyihlanganisa yangizwe ukuthi ngithini kwena seyihlanganisa le nyongo lezi mase sesiyakusebenza. Uma sesikusebenze kahle sikusebenze siyalithatha ke legusha leli siyalibulala sikhipha imbambo ezo7 sithi zidle lembambo siyazose sithi zidle bese sikhipha inanzi bese sikugeza ngapha. Uma sesiqedile sithi thatha amakhandlela amaphakethe awu3 limhlophe liyellow liblue uze nalo sikusebenze ngalo bese lo muntu uyakhuluma kuwena kutshela igama lakhe ukuthi usibani imali oyifunayo angakwazi ukunika noma angakwazi ukunika uqamba wena uza la kumina uzophothula usefikile lo muntu ophakama ngayo ngoba lana sikukhandela into enhlanhla osuku ungathwele ngoba uma uthwele kufanele lesilwane sesibulale kuwena emzimbeni wakho ngenxa ukuthi asekuthwalisi lento ofuna ibulawelele kude wena ukhishela inyongo ukhishela lento kuphela umusu yakweqhulisa nalento yakho lana uyophila izingane zakho awuthwele into nje enhlanhla yokuvula inhlanhla kuwena ukwazi ukuthi zonke into zenzeke mase ke udisclose kumina ukuthi babudokotela mina ngiphila ngomsezo ukuthi ngamathenda mina ngiphila ngento ukuthi mina ngiphila ngento ukuthi kunezingcabo ke kufuna ngizifake ke kuwena ezihambisana nalomsebenzi kunezingcabo ke sekuzofuza ukuthi ngizifake ke kuwena but ezihambisana nalomsebenzi angani uyayizwa lento kodwa lento I repeat ayisona isithwalo. Sinazi ithwalo lekha but lento engikhuluma ngayo ayisona isithwalo. Engifuna ukusho futhi now we are on April. Kunezinto ebengivese ngizibekela ukuthi uma kushaya uApril isigubhu uma million ufuna bese lungile. Reason why you cannot go wrong uma million. So khipha ngo15,000 ke wona. Isigubhu lesiyana esithi uma million ayikhehla khuleka le nto siyikhandile and sisayikhanda futhi in a sense that sizofuna ukuyileke ukuyibuka ukuthi ingavuma yini ukuthi mesikhipha unkosikazi wakhona ngoba kufike inkunzi lesikhuluma ngami uma sikhipha kokubili uma million oyinkunzi bese sikhipha nalona oyithokazi kungavuma ukuthi sisabaphahlela abantu badala sabaphahlela sapha but uma bevuma sizobe sesikutshela ukuthi hayi uma uthatha ke uma million uzowuthatha uhamba nonkosikazi wakho u20,000 but uma uthatha wona kuphela u15,000 but amandla soke ephelele ngoba indoda imivila lapho unkosikazi uzosebenza kodwa sizobuka lokho ukuthi abantu bazoyi-afford and if bengayi-afford ngeke futhi but bebethi hayi babudokotela nginga-afford u20 nginike kokubili iyaqhuma into sikunika lapho kuphelela ayikho into zothi uma usebenza ngale nkunzi le uthi iyadonsa kanti ikhumbula umkayo emuva ikhumbula umkayimo funa mezihamba zihambe zombili ziphahlele zidedele zihambe zombili kodwa lokho sekuthini amandla omuntu ayavuma yena ake singene kwi-intellectual now intellectual njengoba sila emhlabeni lento izobe uzobe usuzibuza mina ngizokubuza wena impendulo zoba nami ngoba anginayo mina impendulo I repeat lento engizoyibuza I don't have an answer but you must have an answer umhlaba lesikuwona we call planet earth it orbits it orbits around the solar system not around the sun around the solar system the sun is within the solar system and then nayo futhi iplanet earth it running within the solar system uyazi into engizoye kutshela kuyona khona sizoke siyi understand le i-solar system yethu it is so big I repeat it is so big to live the solar system not to live planet earth to live a solar system it plus or minus 38 to 40 years ukuphuma kule solar system uthi manje ngiyakhwanja lokishi ngiyaphuma le solar system ngikhathele nini it will take you plus or minus 38 to 40 years ukuphuma le solar system it's not an easy thing angisho mina ukusuka uya kulama planet esinawo lesi open ngisho uma ufuna ukuphuma nje ukhwanja straight uyento esibiza ukuthi i-deep space you're looking at 30 to 40 years this thing uNkulunkulu ayidalile it confuses even ama-scientists it is so vast ngoba nayo lento ye-Big Bang Theory sekufika lana siqala ukutshala njengakhona kunezinto eziveza ezinye amaqiniso abangasakwazi ukwamesha ne-Big Bang Theory yabo thereafter ngikho lapho ngifuna ukuthi siqale sikhulume nje nge-planet earth lo mhlaba nje sikuwona ugijima ukuthi ispeed ohamba ngaso singakanani le speed izothi umoya phansi siwingani musho njalo ubuncane bethu ku solar system we are smaller than an atom a human being ku solar system because planet earth does not exist kwi cosmics you understand ku universe ayikho planet earth into ekhona ku universe ilanga kuphela kuvela ilanga kuphela hayi ukuthi kuvela thina sabaxhaka emhlabeni umuntu ku universe is like it's smaller than a proton it's so small it does not exist at all that is why umhlaba ungena pressure ukuthi kufanele ukuthi asikho thina kuwona ngoba ungagxuma ungenzani will never affect it because it's so vast and it's so heavy the planet Earth travels at a speed of 107,000 kilometers per hour sigijima sizungeza ku solar system ispeed lesohamba ngaso and then uzibuza ukuthi okushuthi mina mengakhwanja ku solar system ngingabuya nini ngingabuya after 50 years uma ungakwazi ukuthi uyaphuma njoba ispeed ekugijima ngayo iplanet earth and then uma ukhwantshile to aim it back it will take another 50 years ukwazi uphinda ubuyele back ku system asibuye ngifuna kungena lanaka the solar system with a sun ngiyahlanganisa manje ama planet onke lawa ku solar system with the sun involved ispeed ahamba ngaso kwi Milky Way galaxy asinaso thina lemhlabeni ayikho asinayo into e travel at that speed it's sitting at 200 kilometers per second that is a planet earth with yonke lemhlaba leminye khona ispeed ekhanjwa ngaso nathi siyala ngingazi ukuthi kuya kuphi kodwa siyaha khona lapho futhi it is 200 kilometers per second la sikhuluma mase sizobuka ke imother of all Milky Way galaxy ngoba thina sikwi Milky Way galaxy sizothi Milky Way galaxy mase kuzoba khona ne solar system kulo solar system mase kuzoba khona ne planet earth kwi planet earth kuyimanxa kuzoba khona exist thina but asiyibhekeke yona ukuthi kwa galaxy yethu le it travels at what speed Towards what? Listen to me carefully. We are traveling at what speed and toward what? Awufisa ukwazi. Thina indlela esigijima ngayo, we are traveling at 600 kilometers per second. 600 kilometers per second. We are approaching Andromeda Galaxy. Travela ngo 550 million kilometers per second. And thereafter, there'll be a time whereby these galaxies, they merge together and become one galaxy. Ikushuthi lo yethu izohamba phela. Kusali Andromeda Galaxy kube yona galaxy enkulu. But bengifuna ukwazi ispeed etravela ngaso lento le galaxy esibizwa Milky Way galaxy. It is 600 kilometers per second. There is nothing that you can asinayo formulation enjalo emhlabeni njalo la esingakwazi ukwakha anything that can travel near the speed of a galaxy. Umbuzo uthi, what is this sucking out all galaxies at this higher speed? Listen to me carefully. The Milky Way, it travels at more than 550 million kilometers per second. To where there is an infinite, there is an endless that sucks all the planets as much as galaxies and stars. But asazigiwa kuphi ngoba ayikho igalaxy esibona lesibuye, iplanet esibona lesibuye, inyanga inkanyezi ebona lesibuye. Everything is at a high speed racing to what? Banokusabela ukuthi there is, it could be a giant black hole that sucks everything. Umbuzo ukuthi isishone phi le nto ekuthiwa i-Big Bang theory if kunjalo. Ngoba kunento etshengisayo ukuthi what is draining everything in all directions. Ngoba hayi ukuthi siya ngase east singazi, no, we are traveling in all directions but at a very high speed. But where are we rushing at? Isikuphi i-Big Bang theory? Ngoba ukuba besine Big Bang theory ngabe we are traveling at least at a certain speed, kuhambe le speed siye nokwehla asehli lesi kunokuthi sehle siyenyuka. That is why uma ubuka phezulu emkhathini le nkanyezi ozibonayo almost 20% wazo zina more than 50 years zafa, ukuthi i-distance nangithi 50 years inyanga nkanyezi eziningi oyibona ziku 50 light years. Mesithi 50 light years, it's any planet or star that is ukukhanya okuthatha 50 years ukuthi kufike khona. Nokukhanya back ukubuye kuze kwena kuthatha 50 years. Okusho ukuthi na le nkanyezi wazona lezo zibonayo ezinye zazikhona zo 20 light years, zo 50 years, 200 years light years azisekho. The time when ukuthi ungathi ufika khona ngafika ngekho nkanyezi lapha. Uthi kanti ngiyaxhaphazeka yini sekumasheka ngako lamahumusha. Kanti you only see the history. Most of the time anything that we see emkhathini wesibhakabhakeni comes to stars nan. We only see the history, what has happened when we were absent on emhlabeni, because it distance esinayo it all in light years. Any planet lo star osibona ekuthiwa is 10 light years, 2.5 light years, 4.5 light, meaning that anything ongathi uyafika khona uzofika iyenzeke 2.5 light years ago ayisekho lonto or it was all changed. Angeke ngibukeke le. Ake sikhulume ngama alien, mekuthiwa khona ama alien angisho awekho noma khona. Ama aliens lapho ekhona, ama alien aku 50 light years away kunathi. Abuka thina as if namhlanje u1965 ngenze example. But ama alien njengamanje aku 100 light years away. Abuka into ebezenzeka eSouth Africa emhlabeni 1925 because of ilokhu ukukhanya imanxa kufika kubona 100 years, but bona basabona into ezenzeka ngo1925, meaning that even bangacabanga ukuzos attack nan basibuka at that level ukuthi this is kind of people are we visiting, but when they come they'll be confused by drones and radars ukuthi oh we've been misled because of the distance and vastity of course. Let's do this bengithi angeke ngiveze le nto so sizokwazi ukuthi odwa kusala ama scientists asefike nayo laba abakhona baffled ukuthi asinayisho ukuthi ngempela kwaba Big Bang theory. And then okwesibili kufuna sikuvumelana, this is not an only universe ekhona, but asazi amanye ama universe that what afomeke kanjani. If this was a Big Bang, why it was a Big Bang sasishayisa from what? Because we don't blow from nothing. And then khona into iyashayisa, and then what happened kulo into iyashayisa, and why there was a big bang at first. This is Babu Hotel, Babu says, Babu Jabulani Mfana Mhlomi. Bengithi ngithintele nje ncanqane yomkhathe ngoba at the end of the day we need to learn. Ake ngikhulume ke lena. This is very mind blowing. This is very illusion like. This is Babu Hotel, Babu says, Babu Jabulani. This is very illusion. Ngifuna ukuyithinta ke lena ke ngiyithinte independently kahle. Ngingayijahanga ngiyithinte nje kahle ngiyayijahanga ngoba uma ngithi ngizoyitatazelela izongiphazamisa ingishiye ngiyi-weak. Sine topic ethi what is time. Ngine topic ethi what is time. I repeat, time is bigger than anything you can imagine emhlabeni. I repeat, isikhathi it's bigger than anything ekhona emhlabeni. If you can own time, you'll be a quadrillionaire, not a trillionaire. Because you'll be owning what people worship. Time is an illusion god after the creator. Because according to Ahura Mazda, where he dwells, there is no time. Time does not affect him. He is in infinite light. Yeah, but when it comes to emhlabeni, we are all determined and controlled by time. Even at mosque, when they pray, they're looking at time. They don't want to waste time because time is their God. At church, they don't want to waste time. Emshatweni, they don't want to waste time. Military drills and precisions, they don't want to waste time. Surgical operations and theaters, they don't want to waste time. Time should be preserved at all time, not to be wasted. When you talk to somebody, he or she will tell that you are wasting my time because isikhathi enginaso, I cannot waste it. Why isikhathi it is so important? Why we are controlled by illusion and unseen thing? Why there is even time at first? Why there is even time? Who told us that we must now sekufuze kube nesikhathi? Who gave us that? That person was introducing a new God in the sphere of universe. And that God, we are fear, lo nkulunkulu oyisikhathi simsaba ongaphezu kuka Allah, Muhammad, noma ngabe umuphi uprofeti siyamhlonipha siyamsaba, but when it comes to uNkulunkulu siyamsaba, but when it comes to time, we are semsaba isikhathi sesisaba ngaphezulu kwayo yonke into. Ngoba mengithi kumina isikhathi sakho sokuthi ufe sesifikile bayeza abantu bazokubulala ufa kuqala the way isikhathi usaba ngoba because your time has come to die. Everybody trembles shaking this time. And ifuna siyibhekele ukuthi le nto le yesikhathi kukhona into engahambi kahle lapha yana ngoba abantu abaningi they even made mistake because of time. I was born in 19 something, I cannot remember, but it was 1972, I think so. I'm not sure. Ake ngenza nje example ngawe. Ngifuna ukusilungisa into yesikhathi. Wena ukuba wawuzalelwe kwiVenus, planet Venus, ngabe wa plus or minus 18 years namhlanje. Njengamanje, according to Jewish calendar, you and myself, we are 7 years younger. As from today, according to the Jewish calendar, you are 7 years younger. But a calendar is 7 sayo. It's a different calendar compared to Jewish calendar. You understand? Lela calendar is 7 sayo. Elomunye umfowethu nawo ihlakaniphele, yabo. Wasikhandele lakhe iCalendar. El determine ukuthi sibadala kangakanani. What I'm trying to illustrate it, we are 7 years younger. But if ngingakuthatha ke manje, because of time, we are worshipping an illusion God. We are going to planet. You'll be like 50 years younger than today. We will be 50 years younger today. Ngoba ngifuna uyibukele isikhathi has aged us. Isikhathi sisigugisile. Isikhathi sidlele imali yethu. Senza into eziningi because we prevent isikhathi or besibona isikhathi siyashaya. Isikhathi senza ukuthi abanye abantu abafile bebulawa isikhathi bezama ukukhava isikhathi bangakwazi ukusikhava isikhathi bafika isikhathi sedlule lapho baba exposed to danger bagcina beshonile because of isikhathi. Leyanto lo muntu owasisungulele isikhathi, we as people on earth, we must critically think ukuthi is it the right thing kahle kahle? Kahle kahle ama second indaba engabanga u50. Why u60? Indaba engabanga u100 okungenani. Why emi kanje u60? Why we got milliseconds? Starting from milliseconds. Because abantu abazi ngesikhathi nje sinama hour, minute, seconds, milliseconds. Why we started from milliseconds? Why we don't have split seconds and then milliseconds? Because this thing is illusion. This thing is controlling us. And then sinabantu abaningi ngempela obona ukuthi abantu ba worship isikhathi. Labantu ba worship isikhathi thina kulelizwe lengabadi la Godwana. We didn't have time. Wena ngamsebenzi. Thina sasibuza izohlangana ngolwesingaki. Uyongibona ngolwesingaki. Umuthi uyeza kwami ngiyazi uthe uyeza ngolwesithathu. Angiyindawo ngoba ungafika noma yinini. We were not being controlled by time. Bafika ke labantu laba abakama ngesandla belungu ba inventa isikhathi kuthini and you started to worship this thing of time. And then abantu abasakwazi ukwenza lutho because athi ngizosuke ngishawe isikhathi bengizokubona. Abantu even ngikhulewa kangakanani enkonzweni. Umuntu loke ebuka isikhathi ubuka uNkulunkulu wakhe uthi usamvumela ukuthi la. Even emosque noma ngabe kukhulunywa ngani ebalulekile ngaleso sikhathi because of time. Athe isikhathi esilate mina ngiyavuka ekseni. I'm going to be late, I'm going to work. I'm going to because worship isikhathi then compared to God don't ozodunyiswa lana. Into yakhulunywa ngayo so critical it's about you but when you're looking at time because this is another God. We as human beings we have to decolonize lento control isikhathi. Sibuyele kuthena ukuthi kwayena lo muntu wasakhe isikhathi yena wekoyisikhathini sakhe. The inventors of time, what time was it? Maybe they made time late or early. And what time was it? Remember isikhathi. If it was 1 o'clock, at what time they made 1 o'clock? If it was 12 o'clock, at what time they made 12 o'clock? Because there was no way that they could make time on time. They were late as well. And now we are controlled by their mistake. We are busy rushing after people's mistake. No, we are better than that. This is about illusion called time. Thank you very much. Goodbye.